Welcome to another video tutorial by MilesWeb. Click on the subscribe button to get notified for our latest videos. How to rename the files or folders in cPanel. Log into cPanel. Go to Files section and click on File Manager. The File Manager interface will open in a new tab. Here, you will see the complete collection of files and folders for your hosting. To rename folder, right-click on the folder to open a context menu and select the Rename option. A window will pop up with the existing name of the folder. Enter the new name for the folder in the text field and click on Rename File. The File Manager will update the name of the folder. To rename file, right-click on the file to open a context menu and select the Rename option. A window will pop up with the existing name of the file. Enter the new name for the file in the text field and click on Rename File. The File Manager will update the name of the file. With this method, you can rename any of the files or folders of your cPanel hosting. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. If yes, then hit the like button. For any technical questions, you can contact us on this email ID. Do follow us on other social media platforms.